Feed-up-the-arm sewing machine is an industrial sewing machine with a specialized, cylindrical arm that allows fabric to pass around it, making it ideal for sewing closed, cylindrical, or long, narrow seams like jeans inseams, trouser seams, and sleeve cuffs. These machines often use multiple needles to create durable chain stitches. Key features and applications. Application. Primarily used in garment manufacturing for long seams jeans, trousers, and for joining materials where a cylinder bed is needed. Usage examples: attaching elastic, sewing side seams of shirts, closing heavy-duty garments like jeans, and attaching lace. Specialized models: Yamato Sewing Machine MFG. Co. Limited offers the VT-500 series for specialized feed-up-the-arm interlock stitching, focusing on high-speed, low-vibration performance. To thread a feed-up-the-arm sewing machine, follow these general steps. Step 1. Top threading needle threads. Thread stand. Place your thread spools on the stand and guide each thread through the overhead eyelets from back to front. Initial guides. Lead the thread down to the machine head, passing it through the first set of guides, usually small holes or pins. Tension assembly. Pass the thread between the tension discs. Ensure it is seated deeply between the discs and catches the check spring. Take-up lever. Thread through the eye of the take-up lever from right to left. Lower guides and needle. Follow the guide path down the arm to the needle bar. Thread the needle. Most industrial models require threading from left to right. Step 2. Looper bottom threading. Feed-up-the-arm machines often use loopers instead of bobbins to create a chain stitch. Open access panels. Open the side or front covers on the arm to reveal the looper mechanism. Thread path. Guide the looper thread through its specific tension discs and internal tubes or guides located inside the arm. Threading the looper. Use tweezers to pass the thread through the looper eyes. If it is a multi-needle machine, ensure threads do not cross each other.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.